confession, I have not watched this movie because it terrifies me. Like, the preview terrifies me, and I'm a little baby. I can't do it. Bitch. Welcome back to the 31 Days of Halloween. I'm your resident witch and hollow queen. And clown, I guess. Today, obviously, we are doing Pennywise the Clown. This is highly requested, highly ignored by me for years. And then I just had to do it because it was requested and requested and requested and requested and requested and more requested. And then requested again. But I freaking hate clowns, and I really hate Pennywise the Clown, and I've tried to watch it a couple times, and I've bailed out because I'm a scaredy pants. I'm a scaredy pants. Leave me alone. I'm scared. I'm scared, and I'm scared of myself, but I kind of look cool. I think it's the gloss. The gloss helps. I'm into the gloss. Anyway, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. If you want to learn how to become Pennywise the sexy Halloween clown, scare the crap out of your friends. That was my stomach. Keep on watching. Let's get into the look. Alright everybody, let's get started. Today I am of course applying my base of LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the color beige with my fish foundation brush. Now I'm going to pat that out and make everything perfectly smooth with my Duo blender. Now going into the Femme Fatale palette, I'm dipping into the shade Natural to set my eye and under eye. And I'm using a big foundation brush to do that. To do the first round of shading, I'm going into Clever and a little bit of Earthy and applying that on my eyebrow to make it look a little meaner, and on my creases, around my mouth, and starting to apply the smile. Now I'm grabbing my favorite eyeliner in the world, my IOU double-ended line plus. That's what I'm just making, like that chef click. Anyway, I'm gonna be filling in my brows, and I'm making spooky, scary skeleton brows. I'm making them really cartoony and really mysterious, like an old villain from a TV show. Make sure that you curl the end because it's just really fun. Switching over to the Remember Me palette, we are going to go into the shade Noir and use that to put all over our eyes, shade our nose, and shade more the smile lines. Now going into the top left shade in the highlight and contour palette, we're gonna highlight a bunch of the areas around the eyebrows and around the eyes. Snack break! Now taking a red liquid lipstick, fill in your lippies. I kind of messed up and had to wipe away some of them, but you know, it happens. Then draw your smile lines all the way up. I put mine straight to the inner corner. And then I drew them up on the top of my eyelid and up. And I kind of made them like double horns because I was feeling that vibe. I did have to go in with a makeup wipe and a little foundation to make everything super sharp and exactly what I wanted because the red lipstick kind of got away from me. Now back into the Remember Me palette, we are going into Lovesick to highlight around the red line and really transition it so that it's not a harsh line. And then back into the red liquid lip to fill in your nose. Now using a black pencil eyeliner, I'm gonna add some definition around my lips and on my nose. And then have another snack break. Pop on some More to Love mascara. And of course, finish it off with MAC's lip gloss. If you liked this look, if you like me, please hit the subscribe button because I loved you. I loved you. Okay, I'm gonna wash this off because I'm freaked out. Bye! I just finished and did my outro and I haven't even completed the look. I'm angry at myself. What the heck? Please continue watching the tutorial. Annoyed. I took pictures and everything. Back to Shane. To actually finish this look off, I'm going into my Floral Bloom blush palette using the red shade and putting that blush around my forehead, my cheeks, and down my neck. All right, guys, this is how you do it. We are Pennywise the Beach. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to me and all of the links below. We are everywhere. Breemaquillage is everywhere. We run the world. I'm just kidding. But we're on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, Snapchat. We're on everything, so follow us and join the Breemac squad. We love you, and you earn rewards and loves. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for clicking. It means a lot to me. Thank you. I'm crying blood. If you loved this video, please share this on any of your social medias. We are trying to grow, so let's share the video so that we can get out there. please. Also subscribe and like this video if you want to. You don't have to, but I would. Personally, I would do it. Thanks so much for watching again. Please come back tomorrow for the next day of Halloween. See you guys. Bye.
Perfect.
Okay, now we're done. I can't believe I freaking forgot that. Let me intro this all over again.